How do I embed a flipbook into my website? Want to make your flipbook part of your website? With Publuu, you can embed it right between your website's text, display it beside your content, or add it as a stylish button for instant access. You can embed your flipbook in 3 different ways. As a player with a background, a full presentation of your flipbook with custom background and built-in options like sharing, downloading, or printing. As a player with no background, it blends perfectly into your website's design and looks like a natural part of your page. Ideal for combining with other content alongside your flipbook. Or as a button, a simple, clickable icon that opens your flipbook in a pop-up window or new tab. How to embed a flipbook into a website? To embed your flipbook, simply log into Publuu and select the Embed option from the Flipbook menu. In the Embed editor, choose between the Flipbook or Button tab. You can adjust dimensions, toggle responsive width, and even decide if you want to keep your website's background, or use the one you designed for your flipbook. Finally, you can choose what is going to be the first page of the opened flipbook. Once you've customized everything, Publuu will generate an embed code. Simply click Copy, then paste it into your website's HTML editor. For example, in WordPress, switch to HTML View and paste the code right where you want your flipbook to appear. And that's it. Your interactive flipbook is now live on your site, ready for your audience to explore. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check our full help guide at publuu.com.